Okay, so we have here for this one today all about the step-by-step solution for problem solving. Now here, if you can see out in the figure here, we have if y is equals to x squared plus 4x minus 7. So we're going to find if the value of y is in here in the following. So we have first, we're going to give us with certain equations that we have. Now, let's try to find out the answer now here for the first one. So the first one says that if y is equals to x squared plus 4x minus 7. Now we have x is equals to 1. Let's try to substitute that one then. So that's going to give us y is equals to 1 squared plus 4x, 4 times 1, rather. 4 times 1 minus 7 then. Minus 7, that's going to give us with the answer of 1 plus 4 plus 7, negative minus 7. So that's going to give us with y is equals to a negative 2 then. Okay, so we that down for the first one here. Now, for the second one, we have x is equals to negative 1 then. Now, let's try to write it out here for the b. We have that one x is equals to negative 1. So let's write down here to answer. So we have negative 1 square plus 4 times negative 1 and negative 7. So that's going to give us with the answer of, looking for that one, that's going to be a 1. 1 minus 4 minus 7, that's going to give us with the answer of negative 10. So y is equals to negative 10. Now, moving on for the c, we have here at x, c is x equals to 2. So let's try to circle out for answer here for a, b. And for the c is we have that one as x is equals to 2. Now, here, let's try to find out the answer now. So we have y is equals to 2 squared. That's going to be plus 4 times 2 minus 7. That's going to give us with 4 plus 8 minus 7. That is equals to 5. So y is equals to 5 down. Now, moving on for the next one here, for the d, we have x is equals to negative 3. Okay, so let's try to write out down here as d is equals, we have here as x equals to negative 3. So y is equals to negative 3 squared plus 4 minus 3. 4 times negative 3, then minus 7, that's going to be about, that's going to be 9. That's going to be a 12 minus 7 down. And the answer for that one would be equals to negative 10 then. So y is equals to negative 10. So that is how we were able to answer out the following numbers by substituting out the values then. Okay, so that would be for this